What's good? Negotiating the price of a scooter, do's and don'ts. Knowing a scooter's value is important in this situation. So, like the most expensive scooter, you can hit up to $10,000, and then the cheapest one can be under $1,000. For instance, a 2018 Vespa GTS 300 scooter, the manufacturing suggested retail price is $7,000. If you were to walk into any scooter dealership in America and try to buy that scooter for $4,000, it just won't happen, especially for such a high-class brand of scooter. You may be able to get them to knock it down a few $100. They're not going to forfeit or profit on that kind of scale. I am not saying paying sticker price is the only option, but I am suggesting that it is harder to negotiate the cost down for a very moderately priced scooter. Knocking off a few $100 for a Vespa, genuine buddy, or even a cheap Chinese scooter is possible. So here are the do's and don'ts when negotiating the purchase price of your scooter. First, do understand that you can get a great deal if you're not too picky. I've heard quite a few stories of riders who've bought their scooters under the MSRP price. It happens not often because people don't realize that this is an option, but it does. And this is how. First, attempt to buy your scooter during the winter seasons when it's cold, because that means there aren't many people out there looking to buy scooters to ride in freezing weather. And during this time, well, guess what? The number of sales at scooter dealerships drop. And if it's winter time, that means it's the end of the year. And by this time, there are new models of scooters coming in, so they need to get rid of their older models. And this is the time to go in and try to get you one. If you are aware how this situation works, this is your perfect time to take advantage of it. Don't plan to purchase a scooter on your first trip to the dealership. Never get pressured into buying a scooter on your first trip. Don't be afraid to walk out, especially if you're unsure about the situation and if you are not getting the scooter that you want at a price you're comfortable with or can afford to spend. It's obvious that you're going to regret it in the end. But you should know the salesmen are accustomed to people walking out the door. It doesn't move them, so don't expect them to come running after you with the offer that you would love. Just keep in mind that these are not cars, and so salesmen have different tactics in this situation. Don't negotiate the MSRP, which is the manufacturer suggested retail price. Always negotiate the OTD, which is the out the door price, because people are surprised to know that the MSRP is not the final price. So a scooter might say, oh, MSRP price is $1,999, and what you don't know is then the dealer turns around and adds on taxes, titles, registration, their shipping and handling fees from when they bought it from the company. So that scooter went from $2,000 to $2,600. So the price you want to prepare yourself for is that one, and you want to negotiate that one down. So you do want to be creative about this. So dealers need your money and you need a scooter. If you guys can't work together a price that fits you guys, see if you can have the dealer chunk in a few things or a few stuff at a discount price, stuff that you need like a helmet or a trunk. See if you can maybe negotiate that into the price of the scooter. And you just keep in mind, yeah, you want to be a good customer, but don't forget dealerships or dealers are out to make money. So don't be afraid to ask plenty of questions and have them, if you don't understand, make sure you have them spell it out to the T for you. So yeah, thank you for listening. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Thank you for watching Ramen on Wheels, and I'll catch you guys later. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.